Your car is more than just a machine. It's a controlled explosion. Extreme heat can melt solid iron quickly within the engine. So, why doesn't your car puddle when you drive to the grocery store without a cooling system? Your engine has 30 minutes to expand, deform, and weld shut. To combat this, modern cars use an antifreeze cooling system. Just imagine a river of coolant running through your engine, absorbing heat like a thermal sponge. Your car has two personalities: small circulation and large circulation. When you start your car, the small cycle remains steady, trapping liquid inside the engine for efficiency. The engine is most efficient at 90 degrees Celsius, and at lower temperatures, it causes poor combustion, wear, and fuel consumption. While some mechanics try removing the thermostat, it risks overheating and sludge buildup. In winter, you won't heat up your cabin, shivering while driving. Your car's complex heat management is an engineering masterpiece. Get insight into the chemistry behind antifreeze and the precision of thermal valves for a better understanding of your car's inner workings. Leave a comment if you want more.